Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error on Windows 10. This is your version of Windows 10 will expire soon. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one. We're going to open up Chrome for today's tutorial. And you want to just search up Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. And one of the best results should be from Microsoft domain here. It says download Windows 10 disk image. Go ahead and select that. Where it says update now, I'd recommend trying that first, and if for some reason it says you're already up to date, you can select the download tool now button. But I recommend first selecting the update now button. It's probably going to be your issue because you're probably running an out of date version of Windows 10. Go ahead and select the download once it's available. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And it might already say that I'm already up to date here. So I'm already up to date, but in your case, it probably will say update to the latest version of Windows 10, and then it'll give you an option to update now in the bottom right corner, and then you just would let it do its thing. There really isn't that much to do. It might ask, what do you want to do? Like the next screen would say that, and then you just would select upgrade this PC now, and then once you're done with that, you just would select next. Getting a few things ready is probably the next page that you would see, and then just let it proceed with the installer. Your computer probably will end up restarting at some point during the process, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.